Loading Fanfold paper in the printer. This video explains the procedure using the CW-C4000 series. The operating procedures for the CW-C4000 series and the CW-D3800 series are the same. Please refer to the instruction manual for details on specifications and precautions for use. This video explains how to load Fanfold paper. See the other video for loading roll paper. Turn the printer on. Before loading paper, set the paper settings in the printer driver. See the other video on how to set up the printer driver. Open the front cover. Open the rear cover. Remove the paper feed guide. Close the rear cover. Attach the paper feed guide. Open and/or close the Platen shutters according to the paper width. See the label on the top of the printer. If the paper width is 112mm, open all the shutters.
Generate by AI.
If the paper width is 112mm, open all the shutters. If the paper width is 63mm, open the inner 4 shutters. If the shutters are not correctly closed, paper may be jammed or smudged with ink. Lower the lock lever of the paper ejection guides. Slide the paper ejection guides outward as far as they go. Raise the lock lever of the paper ejection guides until it clicks into place. Close the front cover. Open the rear cover. Raise the lock lever of the Fanfold paper guides. Slide the Fanfold paper guides outward. Place the Fanfold paper behind the printer. Insert the leading edge of the paper with the printable side face up. Make sure the paper is vertical in relation to the paper feed slot. Slide the Fanfold paper guides against the paper. Lower the lock lever of the Fanfold paper guides. When you insert about 100mm of the paper is automatically fed further into the printer. Place the Fanfold paper at least 40mm away from the printer. Close the rear cover. Press the pause button. Check that the printer is ready for printing by checking the home screen.
Generate by AI.